Good morning, class 12th. Today we are beginning notice. It is the third question that comes in your paper. Question number third in your final exam, which carries 4 marks and word limitation is your 50 words. Okay, these are the aspect of question number 3 in your paper. Now we shall be doing this question. The class, first we must know what is a notice. Okay, if we talk about the notice, its introduction, if we try to give, notice is generally is displayed sheet or a play card giving news or an information. It is a formal mean of a communication, and the purpose is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Generally, these are meant to be put up on the display board in schools or the public places. So, notice can also be published through the newspaper. The information given in the notice can be related to the event that is about to take place or has already happened. It can also be important guidelines or the message issued in public interest which requires the attention. Okay, this is what the notice is. If we introduce now, second aspect says how to write the notice or the points that you should remember to write the notice. First thing is you need to keep check in your writing, that is it should be neat and legible, then only it will come into the notice. Second is it should have simple and clear language. Okay, next is you have to follow the format also, and format, if you're correct in format you get 1 marks for it. Next is write an eye-catching heading. Your heading should clearly indicate the purpose which notice is being written. Next is the content should include mention the target group of for whom the notice has been written. So the purpose of writing the notice also should be clear. Details that you like to give is about the date, the time, the venue, or for extra events, meetings for the competition, and whom to contact, that should also be given. Next aspect is your notice must also bear the signature. So the other aspect is it should have a signature, name, and designation of a person who has in fact written the notice, or on whose behalf he is writing the notice. Okay, you must play the entire contest in the box, so you need to box the notice also. You must adhere to the word limit. I told you the word limit should be kept in mind, and it is of 50 words. Symbols and abbreviations can also be used. Your notice must not contain any irrelevant information. You have to adhere to the topic that you are dealing with. A notice is generally written in third person. So therefore avoid using of I, we and you. Usually the present tense should be used or future tense should be used. So this is the important aspect for writing the notice. Now here is the format for writing the notice. Okay, see, this is the format of the notice. On top you need to write the you have to give the that is the name of the institution which is giving this format. Next is notice below it. Then you have to write the date above the subject. So dear student, normally you commit the mistake, you write this date below the subject, which is not correct. So you have to take care that subject should be written below the date. Okay, then you come up with the body. After that, your signature should be there. Then you have to write the that is the name, your name in capital letter, and then the designation with the contact number. Okay, these are the things that you need to take care. Okay, so once again, see the name of the institution, notice, then the date, then your that is heading, which should be short and eye catching, the body of the this notice, then the signature, name, and then the lastly you have to give the designation in the bracket. Okay, with your contact number. So this is the format you have to then box it into over here. So dear student, this is the way of writing the notice. I shall be putting one notice for your homework on in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, students.